What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. We're about to look on the 24 hours market performance. We're about to check on our positions to see whether we're going up, down, left, right, and we also about to look on the price in a little bit more in details. Okay, but before we do that, guys, I'm ready, man. I'm ready. It is. I guess you did not guess it, right? Guess what is tomorrow? We're having the FMOC meetings, in which Powell is gonna come out there, stand in front of the big TV, and announce that the rates are getting risen. Okay, a lot of people are thinking it's gonna be a 50 basis. To be honest, I don't think it's gonna be that high. I think we're going to have 15 or even 20, 15 or 20, something like that. If it pushes it, probably 25, but I don't think it's going to go that high, because what it's trying to do is stimulate the economy to go higher. I mean, well, let's just cut it right there, to stimulate the economy. If you do it too fast, things go too fast, and you can have a recession faster than you think. Yeah, there's probably going to be a recession, but the government, I think what they're trying to do is trying to have a caution, like, you know what, let it not be that bad. Let it not be that bad. You know, that's what they're trying to do. And now, why is that important? I've been saying this in this channel over and over again. Go look at the Casper chart. Look at every time there is an FMOC meeting. Look at that. Every time there was it, basis there was zero, there was no rates or whatever, but look at the Casper chart. Every FMOC meeting, price was jumping. Price was going up. Okay? And a lot of people think that by the time the Fed comes out and start raising interest rates, Bitcoin is going to collapse. I'm telling you guys, they are all wrong. They are wrong. I think it's going to happen the opposite, because look at it. When the Fed was dropping interest rate, okay, all the way down to zero, stocks were going up. Bitcoin was dropping. And the reason is simple. Everything in the Fed, it works with the treasury bonds, right? When they drop the interest rates, that means they are paying out a lot to people who are buying those bonds, right? And therefore, people are going to sell Bitcoin to go buy federal bonds, right? To go buy the government bonds, and they will make a lot of money versus holding Bitcoin at that period. That's exactly that's what was happening. Now that the government is coming out to raise the interest rate, which means they are going to pay less profits, okay, to those people holding those bonds, what is going to happen is that people are going to start selling those treasury bonds. They're going to sell them. Excuse me. They are going to sell those treasury bonds, and all that money, guys, is going to go into volatile assets like Bitcoin. That's where it's going to go. So the bull run is about to kick into gear 3. That's what's about to happen. And you already know what I usually say. Round 3, money. That's what's about to happen right now. And Casper, we have a double catalyst. Number one, every time there is a FMOC, price goes up. Number two, the KRC20 just got launched. KRC20 got launched. Exchanges, something like Mexi. If you're trading on Mexi, you will see it. Mexi already announcing it. They are making changes to the Casper wallet. To me, what that means is that they're about to start accommodating KRC20 coins. Okay, KRC20 coins, which will lead like people start trading meme coins on Mexi and that begins the adoption of Casper KRC20 on different exchanges. Okay, I told you guys this. You're about to see the price of Casper jump to 40-50 cents, even higher. And then once all this trading volume coming in, exchanges are not going to want to miss it. You're about to start seeing exchanges tier 1 list Casper, and that will push Casper's price all the way up to $2 or even a little bit above. Like I said, stable coins are going to be on Casper. You're about to see the announcement very soon. Okay, then that will lead to DeFi, gaming, and all these things. People start building on Casper. That's what we're about to see. So that is not just on Casper. I told you guys, we are about to also have regulatory clarity in every country. And I told you guys too, like with regulatory clarity comes the stablecoins policies being approved. I've been saying this for a long time on this channel, and with that we are going to have project gateways, which is quant staking. I told you guys, like a lot of people were expecting a $40 quant, and I say it's not happening. And last week I was saying it, like quant has to close above $72 on the weekly candle, and that's exactly what happened. Weekly candle closed above $72 as predicted. Now you guys can see, look at everything in the big picture. Okay, just step out and see. Money leaves the treasury bonds and start to trickle down to Bitcoin. You guys already know Bitcoin goes up. Asset like Quant, Jasmine, Casper, everything else also starts to go up with it. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. I don't know if I explained it correctly or maybe I missed anything. But guys, FMOC meeting is tomorrow. If you're holding our assets that we are trading in this My Millionaire journey for this season, 2024-2025 bull run, just get ready for round 3. Money. Get ready for that money to be made. Anyways, now let's go look at the market right quick. Like again, like I said, it is always good for the the indicators, the RSI, MACD, ribbon, all of them. It's always good for them to be in oversold before the FMOC meeting. Hence, that's why you see the price dipping a little bit, because during the FMOC meeting it might go down a little bit more, and then it will take off like a crazy mad cow. That's what you're about to see. Excuse me. Like a mad cow, and that's what you're about to see. Now let's go look at the market right quick to see how we've been performing for the past 24 hours. So let's go here, crypto bulls. That's simple. See that? We're about to start on the daily. Daily is a mixed feelings, like people, oh, should I sell, should I buy? But we already know. If you're part of this My Millionaire journey, you already know what to do. Anyways, now let's go start first with King Casper, KAS, right there. For the past hour, we're down 0.4%, 0.41. For the past day, we up 2%. On the week, we up 3.1%. On the month, 2.6% up. And finally, on the year, 251% up. Now, let's look at Quant, the coin that a lot of people like to hate, QNT. Here we go. Quant for the past hour down 0.47%, 1.1% down on the day, 4.9% down on the week, 10.7% up on the month. And now look at the yearly, 23% down. I'm telling you guys, that number is dropping. It's about to turn green. Now let's go look at Jasmine. Ticket symbol JAS. We got here for the past hour 0.46% up, 2.9% up for the day, 2.2% down for the week, 5.2% down on the month, and 466% up on the year. Again, guys, this thing signals to me that we're about to take off. Okay, we are about to take off in this Jasmine price. Now, back here, we had that KRC20 release yesterday, guys. That was a historical day, history being made. And soon, guys, you are about to start seeing people turning $80 into 10 grand or even 20 grand. You're about to see it. So, like I said, I did bought some meme coins yesterday to support the chain as a Casper Maxi. And I'm also thinking like, well, let's see where it goes. Because whatever I make out of there, I'm gonna use that to buy more Casper. But anyways, let's go to my trading view right quick, because like there are a lot of interesting things I want to show you guys there. So let's go right quick. If I go trading view right now, this is Casper. Okay, Casper on the 1 hour. Just by looking at it, you will see that Casper is forming an inverse head and shoulder. That's what is happening right now. Just looking at it from afar. That means, let me take my brush. It's somewhere down here. Brush. Which means we're having shoulder, head, and we are forming another shoulder. What I mean by that is that I'm expecting this. This is the resistance, okay? And I'm expecting price to do this. Use this as support and up we go. That's what I'm expecting to happen right now. So this, as you can see, it is forming that on the 1 hour. Okay, so now let me take that out, delete that right quick, delete that, because like a lot of guys, they were like, okay, it's gonna be a buy the news, sell the rumor, like the release of the KRC20, and I kept telling you guys that's not happening. It's normal for price to go down a little bit and then take off from there. Now let's go on the 4 hour right quick. Okay, if you go on the 4 hour, you remember we've been talking about this for the longest too. And again, now look, this was the middle channel. Okay, which I told you guys I don't think we are coming back to it as soon as we break above this important resistance, which now turns support. Good thing we came in, tested, went above this next resistance. Okay, Bitcoin dumped, and we were coming back down yesterday. I told you guys if we go down, we're probably gonna touch it and then go up. Now that's exactly what happened, and if you can see, the ribbon is curving again backward. Upwards. And the good thing about this is that the 200 moving average is also acting as support. So I'm expecting price to go up. Now with the FMOC meeting coming tomorrow, I'm expecting this thing to rip it to the pass above the 21 cents tomorrow or next tomorrow. We're about to see it. So yeah, I'm not worried about it. So if we go on the daily, look at it on the daily. Here, let me zoom out. See the daily, we are still into this symmetrical, into this triangle, not a symmetrical triangle. We're still into it on the daily. So we are almost more than 70%, fill. And you guys already know what usually happens. Okay, now this, look, we are forming an inverse head and shoulder again on the daily. That's what I'm telling you guys. It's interesting to look at what the price is doing on Casper. We have the shoulder, we have the head, and we have the second shoulder, which is almost turning right here. Now if you want to know where this can go, you can just take a trend line from the lowest part to the breakout point, which will be somewhere here, and put it up there. That's what I'm saying. We're about to see Casper 25-30 cents, because that's what this move is doing right now. He's getting ready for it. Now let's go look at the quant right quick. Ticket symbol QNT, USDT, and I like Binance right there. We are on the daily. Okay, Look at this. So amazing, guys. Let me zoom out a little bit. We're on the daily. Right here. See? We close above that. There's a little bit of correction. We're getting supported by the moving ribbon. Look at that. It just turned green. Therefore, I'm expecting price to go back above and continue this trajectory. Because, guys, remember, we're still below the resistance of this bull flag forming. I told you guys the target of this bull flag is $95. That's what Quant is setting up to go right now. So yeah, $95, because yeah, you have to take this you have to take this pole, put it wherever this breaks out, so somewhere right there, and then you will see it is $95. So yeah, guys, everybody else losing faith, and I'm telling you, you have to look at the price in the little details. Okay, let me look at it on the, let's go on the weekly first. Weekly, look at that. Oh my goodness, I am so excited right now, it's not even funny. Look at that. The week closed above $72. That is what we were waiting for. So it closed above it. We started this week. Now look, we going the second week in a row that is green. We going, guys. Look at the ribbon. Ribbon is curving, and yeah, we getting ready to go take off that. Excuse me. Let me take this out. Put this right here. Again, see, we break out. The target is all the way right here. $95, $96 is right there. So let's go on the 4 hour right quick. There. See, I'm expecting right now, okay, I'm expecting this price, if it keeps coming down, which again I don't think it will, I think this thing is about to go up to go retry the $72 again and properly form it into support and keep going. That's what I'm expecting this thing to do. Because like if you look, the week we closed the week above $72. And that was so important for Quant to do, because like this is where we closed the week at 772.24 Saturday. This was Sunday, right here. Sunday we closed the week at $75. So yeah, this thing right here, guys. Everybody else telling you something else. I don't know what they're looking at. Seriously, I don't actually know what they're looking at. If you go on the 1 hourly. See here on the 1 hour and go forward right there. So yeah, on the 1 hourly is looking bearish again. Like I said, it's always a good thing for price to get as low as possible before the FOMC meeting, because we already know that we already counted for the lows back in August the 5th. So yeah, I'm expecting again this thing to take off while Powell is talking, or a little bit before that or something. All I know is like Quant is about to go even higher than you think. Now let's go look at Jasmy right quick. Jasmy, JASMY. Oh yeah, before we go there, let me show you something first right quick. Let me show you something first. Because like it's always when you tell people one thing and everybody else wants to believe something else. So let me show you this. I told you, keep an eye on the indicators, okay? Every time, keep an eye on the indicators. On let's say this is Quant USDT. Now, look at this. Look at that. How beautiful that is. See, we flipped. The blue has gone on top of the red. And then look at that right here. For how many weeks now I was telling you guys you got to pay attention to that. Let me zoom that in very well again. Look. Blue has gone on top of the red. Get ready, guys, because Quant is about to run. Guys, like when I say run, I mean monumental run. That's what's about to happen. This is on the weekly, okay? So now let's go look at Jasmy right quick. Jasmy USDT Binance. There you go. Let me zoom in a little bit. See, we broke above the falling wedge. We broke above it and came back, retest, just like I told you guys. Look at that. That's the falling wedge. That's why now, guys, I am getting ready for the money. We're getting ready for it. And this is just beautiful, guys. Look. Jasmine broke above the falling wedge, came back, retest, and now is going up. Look at the ribbon again. Falling wedges, guys, they are very, very bullish patterns. And the bullish patterns, falling wedge usually go back to the origin of the wedge, which is for Jasmine is around 4.5 cents. That's what we're looking at in the upcoming few weeks. Okay, you're about to see Jasmine go all the way up there. So yeah, see that so beautiful, broke out, came back, retest, now we going. So yeah, let's go on the daily. See, again, it shows that very, very beautiful. Let me zoom in a little bit. Look at that. That is just amazing, guys. So yeah, I'm expecting this thing. Okay, the first W did not go. If you look, let me go here. Look at the pattern. First W did not break that 2.3 cents. We came back. This time we broke above the wedge. Retest. I'm expecting it to go up, and this time probably it's going to break that 2.3 cents, turn it into support, and up we go, guys. This thing is getting everybody who was busy telling you like you are going all the way down, we are going all the way down to 1 cent, and I kept telling you guys that nope, it's not happening. I'm gonna have my positions open, and I'm, even though if I see them go red 20, 30, 40, even 60%, I don't care, because you're down 60%. It's gonna counter everything when you start to go up probably 500%, 600%. You'll make you a lot of money, more than that. So like a lot of people did not even believe it. So guys, it is happening right in front of our eyes. Excuse me right quick. It is happening right there in front of our eyes. You are watching it unfold like like a movie. You are watching it unfold. Okay, yeah, excuse me. Yeah, so it is it's very exciting. It's exciting time, like when you look at something happen and it is happening the way you say it was going to happen. It's just like, yeah, where is everybody who thought I was crazy? Where are they? Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. Again, when things like this happen, you could 5, 10, or even 20x your money. Again, not financial advice. You could do this only if you experience trader on leverage. If you do not know how to leverage trade, please do not try it, because if you do, you can lose your money very, very quickly. Again, like I usually say, that is a hot ticket to wreck city, and that's what will happen if you don't know what you're doing. Now, if you do know what you're doing and you are confident enough, below I do have my Phemex and my Bydfi links. Just sign up, okay, meet their deposit requirements, and then you can either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. It's up to you. I really don't care that part. All I care about is make money. All I care is that you make money, okay, and then in 10 to 12 months from now, we will meet somewhere in Dubai and celebrate. That's all I care about. Anyways, now let's go right quick. Look at my Bydfi right quick. Let's go here. Bydfi. Let's see. Come on, let it load up. So you can see everything. You see, they're still even having more and more promotions. You can see right now my positions, I'm still up $12,000. Okay, the Bitcoin dropped the price a little to $12,000, but hey, I'm not worried about it. Like again, I told you guys, this is my long-term account, and I'm gonna show you guys 6 figures out of this in probably 10 to 12 months. Looking at my contracts, okay, well, Bitcoin is back at 60,000. Looking at my contracts, my quants, I'm still up 19%, which is $1,400. Okay, and my Casper, I am still up 6%, which is $174. Now, again, look at this. By the time Quant hits that resistance that we are talking about, $95, this position will make me 7,800. That's what it will make me. Now, the ultimate resistance at 125, this position will make me $15,000. Again, you guys have to pay attention to those little things. Now, by the time we hit all-time high, let's just say a little bit above all-time high at $500, this position will make me $109,000. Yeah, you can even look around. A lot of people say, oh, it's not going to get above 5,000. It's just going to be probably $1,000 coin or 1,200 anyway. So even if it gets there, that 1,500, this position will make me $361,000. Yeah, that is what I'm counting on. Although I'm telling you it's going to get above 5,000. So my take profit is at 6,500, in which this position will make me $1.6 million. Just yeah, impossible? No, but I think it's gonna get there. So let's just wait for Quant to get that 200 billion market cap. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. Same goes to my Casper. I have my Casper take profit at $10. So by the time this thing gets to $10, this thing will make me almost $600,000. That first resistance I told you guys about at $2, this thing will make me $111,000. So yeah, I'm not worried about nothing. I'm just gonna sit here and watch, let these things unfold. Now let's look at my Phemex. You're looking at my Phemex contract right here. Let me sign in right quick. Fingers, there you go. Overall, as you can see, my Phemex, I am still up 13,600 right there. Here I'm only going to be trading my Casper trades based on, support and resistance, but my Jasmine trade I'm going to keep open for a season, for a long time. So if I go to my contracts, you can see my Jasmine, I'm still down 24%, which again, I'm not worried because I trade at 50x, guys. Do not do like me. I trade at 50x. That's why every time the price goes a little bit up or a little bit down, my profits or my losses, they are very, very huge. Like you guys, you already know, like higher, if you do high rewards, high risk, high reward, that's the way I trade. But again, you can see here, like I told you guys, this thing is looking to go to 4.5 cents. So at 4.5 cents, this thing will make me $18,000. The target for the bull flag is at 10 cents. At 10 cents, this thing will make me $63,000. Then we have 15 cents, which is a big resistance. This thing will make me $104,000. We have another major resistance at 20 cents. And this position will make me $146,000. I've said it before. I think the top for this run for Jasmine is going to be at 60 cents. So at 60 cents, this position will make me $477. Now everything can change if they increase their rate of locking up. If the lockup starts to increase, I've seen a lot of people think that it might go up to $5, which I don't think it will do. It will go there. Me, I think with the lockup, will probably go up to $2, and that will put just my position at $1.6 million. After that, man, I think I'm gonna close this, even if it goes to $5. I'm gonna close this position. But anyways, now you can see that. Now looking at my my Casper, again, I told you guys we're looking at 40 cents, okay, 40 cents. This thing will make me $14,000. Or we're also looking at 65 cents. This thing will make me $29,000. Now with the listing coming on, the first exchanges and everything is listing, we might have this thing goes to $2, which will make me $110,000. These are the things that I'm looking at. Of course, excuse me. Of course, market conditions might change. That's why I tell you guys, it's very important for you to look at price every day, at least 2 or 3 times a day, so that you know what's happening. Now, with the Casper trade that I just showed you guys, now depends on what's happening in the market. I might close, take profits, or do whatever with it, because that's my short-term trade. So that's what I use for, like, either support and resistances. That's the money I use to scale up my other trades, and take a little bit out, do one thing here and there. Now again, tomorrow is the FOMC meeting. Once she shows up, guys, get ready for a very price volatility in the crypto market. So I hope, guys, you are prepared for it. Excuse me. I hope you are prepared for it, because that usually be like a lot of money moved around, and you can make a lot of money with the FOMC meeting. Anyways, that being said, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Please share, comment, and like, because once you do these things, YouTube pushes the video to other people with millionaire minds like you and me. Okay, so that's it again, guys. Round 3 is about to start. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.